the incline is not long enough. You only get to enjoy it for a brief moment. But this was fun while it lasted though. I'm really kind of hoping that eventually they clarify everything and just say that we're allowed on the road. Just keep it pushing. I don't usually talk much when I'm riding to work out, so a huge portion of this video is going to be you guys just enjoying the scenery. I'm not going to be talking much. It's the last day, so let's just enjoy the scene. My legs are now burning up. Yep. Can feel the heat in the legs. Whew. Okay, we're done with the incline. Now we're going to be rolling downwards. It gets a little easier on the legs after this point. So I don't know how long I've been riding for, but usually after this time is when you can begin to push harder. Your legs will always start off weak, and then 3, 4, 5 minutes into the workout, you feel like you're about to give up. I'm not quite sure what that phenomenon is called, but if you keep pushing after that point, you're not going to feel so tired anymore. Hold on. Let me adjust the mic again. Okay. I have a long way to go and I've already wasted about 14 minutes. I have to make it all the way to Kibenga, and I've already taken way too much time. And also I have to get back. Anyway, let's do something familiar. Let's go down here. I remember going down this road maybe in my second video, I think. My second video ever posted on Bujumbura. These declines feel good to ride on, but usually they're dangerous if you're not stable. Oh, look at that blinding sunshine. Everybody is out working out. You can never make me jog again. Like, I don't know, I just can't. I can't jog. I used to at one point, but as soon as I started cycling, it was over with. Oh, let's avoid this water. I don't want to get splashed. Oh, by the way, I have to mention that the 20th falls on a Sunday. It's a Sunday today, and so a lot of the roads that we travel on are going to be empty, super empty. Let's get a little bit of shade. It's now 17 minutes. The roads are completely empty. You know what? On second thought, if all else fails, they should at least let us sports enthusiasts and cyclists be able to come out on a Sunday, because traffic seems to be at an all-time low on Sundays. Maybe they should let us have Sundays. 18 minutes into the ride, and I'm not even halfway to Kibenga. Not good. If I had gone down through PAF and into Kotebu, I would have been at École Belge by now. I'm sorry if the sun is a little blinding, but we're not going to be facing it for too long. We will be facing away from the sun in a little bit. Let me just cross over. A big shout out to all the subscribers that are currently subscribed to the channel. We are currently at 1,800 something subscribers, almost making 1.9.